Attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Shelby County, St. Clair County, until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:10 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Oneonta to Bluff Park, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hoover, Pell City, Leeds, Moody, Rainbow City, Springville, Odenville, Margaret, Argo, Asheville, Riverside, Vincent, Ragland, Ohatchee, Steele, Bald Rock, Vanderbilt, Harrisburg, Branchville, and Greystone. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time for Central Alabama. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Shelby and St. Clair.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.